Okay.
Check out the boss.
How are you do?
How you do?
How about that?
How are that?
Scotch bonnet sauce.
Scotch bonnet.
Oh, you put it in your chicken.
Teacher think I drink it, I go drink
So
that.
that gonna taste good.
Tastes very good.
Scotch bonnet sauce in a chicken. Alright.
Scotch bonnet pepper. Never tried
Oh,
that.
yeah, I laugh, bro.
Never tried that pan fried chicken before.
I know you know good things.
You're one of them.
Yeah, well, I did.
Seen to
No,
choose
that.
you. Yeah, bless
I
them.
knew that.
I mean that.
See it there?
I mean know good things to do.
See it there?
No good things come in small packages.
Alright. You see it? Bless
So
up
you
the
juice
teacher.
there, apart from me.
Sit in. You usually tell me don't drink Pepsi while I'm eating.
Me tell you to drink Pepsi none at all.
See it there? Pepsi not good for
Don't
you.
talk about while I'm eating.
Don't fill up my
The
belly.
teacher is the
Pepsi
man.
fill up your belly. That's why you not fi drink it. I mean alone fi fill up your belly.
You hear? You see that? Yeah, hey, the teacher have the right words them every time. And that's why my world boss, you know. That's why the man say, if me no shit, them can yam. Yo, me I tell you, the teacher full of style, you know. Let me back this up again and catch this again, cause the teacher full of
How
style.
you do? How about that?
Scotch bonnet sauce.
Yo, you see the teacher switch from orange kerchief a blue. The teacher rock now, no. So what that mean? Blue kerchief price gone up. Yo, me I tell anything the teacher put him on pan, you know, sell off.
Oh, you put it in your chicken. So that gonna taste good.
Yo, if the teacher ever eat piece of that Kentucky fried chicken there, you know, you don't know the price of Kentucky gone up again. You see me? Yo, teacher, me I beg you, don't taste none of that Kentucky there in a road, boy, cause we can't afford for the price of Kentucky for rise.
Tastes very good.
Scotch bonnet sauce in a chicken. Alright. Yeah, I laugh, bro.
She happy, man, she happy. You see me?
I know you know good things.
You're one of them.
Yeah, well, I did.
See it there, see it there. Yes, I am.
I knew that.
I mean that.
Eh,
I mean know good things to do.
see it there? She a one.
No good things come in small packages.
Alright. Yeah, man.
So you juice there, apart from me.
Teacher full of
You
jokes.
usually tell me don't drink Pepsi while I'm eating.
Me tell you to drink Pepsi none at all.
See it there?
Don't talk about while I'm eating.
That not good
Don't
for
fill
you.
up my belly.
Pepsi fill up your belly. That's why you not fi drink it. I mean alone fi fill up your belly.
See it there?
I'm out.
I'm out. Yes, yo, the teacher full of style, me I tell you, you know. They are the world boss that, aka the teacher. You see me? AKA the best of the best of the best. On the don't know. Share this out. The teacher is back in full effect. Anything the teacher put him on span, viral moment. Everybody park up out of the teacher social media gate them. I wait for the teacher for just say anything so them can run with it. You see me? Yo, the teacher not simply no. Hey yo, you have millions and millions of people right now. Hold on, let me talk to you real quick. You have millions and millions of people right now sit down outside at the teacher social media house. Them just sit down at the man gate, just a wait pan forget a little prep at the teacher. For so the teacher go say, so them can run with that. Yo, anything the teacher put him on pan, anything the teacher say, it no matter what, it's sell off. Me not telling no dog. Them can't stop the king. Cannot. The teacher is the teacher, man. It is what it is. And I don't know. Everything the teacher put him on pan a goal. And you don't see the grabber where I come. You see me, you see me, you see me. So bless up and share this out. We out.